In this video, we're going to be replacing this coolant reservoir on this Ford Explorer. It's located over here on the passenger side. I'm going to take the cap off. Just make sure you take this off when it's cold. You don't want to do this while the vehicle's hot. Take that off. And then you can use some type of fluid extraction pump and take as much of the fluid out as possible. I'm going to remove this hose clamp right here. Use some needle nose pliers. Squeeze it. And you can move it out of the way. You can actually rotate the hose. If you have some hose pliers, you can grab the hose and just rotate it a little bit. Work it back and forth. And just slide the hose off. Just like that. Where the AC hose attaches right here, just use a trim tool and just pop this off. Out of the way. Now we're going to take this screw off right here, use an 8mm socket. And there's a screw down here, same 8mm socket. Take that out. Now just grab the reservoir, slide it up, and you can access the lower hose. Now I'm going to use a hose clamp tool, move this hose clamp. Slide it down. And just grab the hose. You can twist it back and forth, or you can use a pick. And just slide it off. If you want, you can put a drain bucket underneath if you're going to lose some coolant. And we didn't lose any coolant, so we're good. And slide the new reservoir in place. Move the hose clamp up. With this hose clamp, you want to unlock it with a screwdriver. Just a straight blade screwdriver is fine. Just slide it in there and then just rotate it. You just pry down. Just watch your fingers while you're doing this. Just like that. Now just slide this in position. Just slide it down right where that clip is, and then we can put the bolts in. Get that bolt started, and the one up top. Now snug those down. Just snug. Same with this one. Now put this hose in place and slide the hose clamp down, and then we need to release that hose clamp. Now we just need to release the hose clamp. Just be careful with your fingers. You don't want to hit it. So just take a screwdriver, just get under there and just release it. And that's good. Now slide the AC hose in place. And you can top it off with the proper coolant. You want to fill the coolant up in between these two lines here. It's always a good idea to run the engine, let it warm up, and then afterwards, after the engine cools down later, double check and adjust accordingly. And put the cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.